Welcome back, dear Madhyamik aspirants, the students who are going to appear at the Madhyamik examination in 2021. In the syllabus of English language, second language, the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education has recommended some types of writing skills. They carry, each type of writing skill carries only 10 marks. Three types of writing skills will be given in the question paper. Students are asked to write the answers depending on the points, following on the points. They must write every type of writing skills with the help of the given points. Each type of writing skill carry only 10 marks. 10 into 3, 30 marks. 30 marks will be allotted for the writing skill for the students of Madhyamik examination. As a general student, they must take care. Every student must take care to write the writing skill in their own languages. They must practice this type of writing skills every day. Every day they should practice the writing skills with the help of the given points. In the Madhyamik examination, the examiners are asked to give marks for the writing skill which is written with the help of the given points. He must follow the points which is given in the question paper. He or she should write the writing skill in their own language with the help of the following points. They should not memorize any type of writing skills from any points which is not given in the question papers. The marks will be allotted. The marks is allotted only for the points which is given in the question papers, not on the outside points which is not mentioned in the question paper. So every student must practice with the help of the grammatical rules and with the help of the following points. In the 2020 madhyamik examination, personal letter, paragraph and report writing already given. So we must practice. Besides these three types of writing skills: personal letter, paragraph and report writing. The questions was already set up in 2020 on personal letter, paragraph and report writing. So we should practice formal letter, notice, biography, story, process. Formal letter, there are two types of formal letter. One type of formal letter to the editorial letter and one to the headmaster or teacher. Application type. Generally questions are set up on the editorial type or headmaster or teacher application, or application to the artist, application to bank manager, application to the panchayat, application to the BDO office, application to the MLA. One type of application must be practiced. If he practice one type of such application, he can write any type of writing. Editorial letter. In the editorial letter, some social awareness, some social problems, society related any topics should be practiced. Notice writing. In the notice writing, in previous, reporting a loss of something to the OC. Next we come to the writing skill notice. Generally the question of notice generally set up on educational type, cultural programs, functions, general awareness, social work, etc. School related, educational, admission to spoken English, typewriting, cultural program, music competition, Teachers' Day observation, 15th August observation, 23rd January observation, 26th January observation, etc. Vidyasagar's birthday observation. General awareness, social awareness, conscious, dengue prevention camp, blood donation camp, tree plantation program, creative writing, for example publication of school magazine, education related, social work, tree plantation program, blood donation camp, etc. We should practice one or two types of writing skill on notice, for the notice. Publication of magazine, one type. Another types, blood donation camp or tree plantation program. Key for educational. One or two type of notice should be memorized, should be practiced.